crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Eyeshadow. I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today is a get ready with me to go to work today. Very excited. I'm gonna try out some new products that I got from the Ipsy. Just going to see how it works. I decided I usually don't wear makeup like the first couple of weeks of my job. When I first started, I started wearing makeup and then I stopped because it was just like I didn't want to do it. And I said, you know what, to make myself feel better today, I decided to put on some makeup because I am working a 4-hour shift today. So that is one of those things. I'm just like, yeah, it's time to take care of me and just be more, you know, put together, because I don't feel like mentally I'm not doing so good. Number of reasons is just life in general. Nothing like bad or anything like that. I'm just home basically. It's just, I don't know, stress more than anything. And stress and I don't get along really well, because if I put too much stress, if you know, there's a lot of stress, I kind of put into a depression. It starts my depression off, and usually around this time it's that depression. And I'm just like, yeah, I don't want to deal with my depression or anything like that, because it's that time of the year. And usually around this year, like I said, my depression really starts. Usually starts like in October, and this time around it's just like, yeah, last year I didn't deal with it as much because what was going on with my friendship and my friend circle, and things just, I don't know, just not been that part. Then getting into a new relationship, started a new relationship with my boyfriend, and that helped a lot because he brings a lot of joy and happiness in my life. And I felt so bad yesterday. I mean, things happened at home that just basically just, you know, kind of kick-started it, basically. And I didn't like it when we did that. And then went into my friend's live stream to do a reading, and that kind of helped, but it helped but didn't help, because I always ask, how's this week's gonna happen, blah blah blah. And I feel like their reading was just saying today was whatever, and I'm just like, oh yay, it's reading what I had to deal with today, yesterday, like as I wasn't thinking. And I'm just like, yeah, one of those things. And then my boyfriend, you know, I feel like I wasn't really there, but he was there. He's just, you know, we had our time, because, you know, and so it's just a lot of stuff going on at home that I wish I can do more for my family. And that's just, I was hoping YouTube would be like a thing that can just, I didn't have to, like, was a job that I didn't have to worry about, and then, you know, help my family. And that's why I started this channel, really, was to just help me with an outlet, help with everything, but nothing. Has just been slow as hell. And I don't know, I'm not gonna quit or anything like that. I enjoy everything I do on this channel, because I do what makes me happy, and that's what matters. It's just gonna be like a very soft look. It's from the using the eyeshadow that I got from the Ipsy. I was gonna do them when I was doing the Ipsy bag. I was gonna do a video after the fact, but you know, my brain was just like, yeah, no. And I tried to yesterday, and then I didn't feel like doing anything because, I don't know, I did the look that I wanted to do basically, but I didn't like it. And this eyeshadow is not bad. It's really nice. It's really soft. I like it how you can build it up. But, and also things are just popping in my feed, on my YouTube feed, that I'm just like, why are you popping into my feed all of a sudden? And it's just because of an ex-friend. And that ex-friend was, yeah. Now I'm thinking about doing a video about it. Because I'm kind of hiding the fact who I'm talking about. Because I want people to, I don't know, I want other people just be aware of this person. Basically be aware of everything and why and everything. And it's been a year through that mess, and I just say, you know what, I want to do one, but I don't know how I'm going to do it, because I don't want the people who's involved, like, to be, you know, whatever, and or her to cause more, or going to cause something that, whatever. It's my experience and everything, but it is what it is, if I do it or not. But I tend to do a self-reflection with problems with the year, and I've done that since 2010 when I came back in December that year. So, and also with that, everything that happened that year is basically caused by what happened. So that's why my depression kind of starts. I fight with my depression constantly, and I really do like this eyeshadow. It's like really pretty. But a lot of things just going on at home is just, like, I want to help my family so much, and they've done so much for me, but I don't do, like, when I do soft looks, I don't do eyeliner. I don't tend to do a lot of eyeliner because one is a pain in the ass to deal with. Like, I really like this eyeshadow palette. This is something that you can do with an everyday look, and you can actually deepen it up if you want. But yeah, it looks like about to be out. I think it looks like it. That's gonna suck because I did not plan. Restocking. Usually I'll restock whatever I'm restocking. But there's a couple of things I need to restock. But also there's like palettes that are coming out, and it's like, oh, and then I'm like, yeah, I need to restock. I'm actually gonna try out this powder. It's the luxury baking powder from Revolution, and it's called Ghost. So it's like really white, but I'm gonna use the rest of this as the face setting thing, and then where the case may be. But I do need to get another brush that will work for the under eye. I just want this to be a little bit bright. When you have pale skin, it's kind of hard. And the powder is really nice, which I do like. I know this is supposed to be a baking powder, but I do like how it's just like, it's really nice. And I'm going to use a fluffy brush. It's really nice. It does set the face a really good job. Translucent. And I like a mattifying face more than I like a glowy face. Like, I like having a nice balance of glowiness to my skin. Okay. And for the face, I'm going to use the setting spray because if this doesn't. And I am definitely going to say this is all gone. No more. And it's really good. I do like it. So if you want to try this Beauty Creation setting spray, I highly recommend it. They have different scents, and that was a pineapple one. It's really good. And the Wet n Wild one I've tried before. It's really nice. So doing makeup is like a makeup therapy for me, and this might have to be like a makeup therapy. So I talk to you guys. I get rid of the makeup therapy. I usually don't go with contour or anything like that when it comes to my everyday looks that I'm going for work, but I'm actually going to do it because I'm going to do it because I want to. And warm up the face at the same time. Now for blush, of course all the products will be down below. If you want to see what products I've used on my face. Sometimes they will have affiliate links. That will help with the channel and everything that's going on. For some highlight, I'm going to use this new brush. It's the Liveglam in EG15, which I really like. And I'm going to use some gold because if I go with pink, I'm like, I don't know. I think it would be too much, you know, how I see fit. And this is like, I feel like this is darker. Well, this one's dark, but it's just because what I make this baby. Okay. Then lip liner. We can use this color. This is called Oh Snap. And it's really good. I like it. I like the color. That's really pretty. I like this color. This is like my shade of my natural lip, so it's my lips but better. Then I'm gonna go with the Liveglam in Nude. Liveglam is actually one of my favorite lipstick brands out there when it comes to their lipsticks, lip liners, and everything. And I definitely like this shade called Mood. Look at that color. Perfect for the eyes. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I really do like it. So yeah, sorry for, hope I didn't ruin your day or made you sad or anything or worry about me. I think today was my makeup therapy that I needed. Yeah, I think today was my makeup therapy that I needed. Just talk to you guys. But yeah, I'm sorry. I don't like talking about my problems or have people worried about me or anything like this. I'm saying I don't like it. I just don't want people to worry about me. But yeah, I think this week is gonna be fine for me. So yeah. Okay. I love you guys. If you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button. You want to see more content like this where makeup therapy and I talk to you guys about things and just have fun with makeup. Make sure you hit the like button. Please let me know if you do. If you want be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are crazy, but we're cute at the same time. Of course, make sure the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos I upload. So everyone, I hope you have a day or night wherever you're at. I love you. God bless. And I promise I'll be okay. If you want to private chat with me, anything like that, I do have an Instagram down in the description if you want to. You don't have to. If you just want to talk, or you got things you want to talk about to yourself and you want somebody to listen to, you, I'm right here, so you're not alone. So yeah, hope you have a wonderful day, and I love you. Bye.